Here to talk through this Isodoku puzzle by Serkan Yürekli. You'll see the theme 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 along the bottom, and we have these sort of extra pointing in cells as well as two empty cells here. Notice that the 1 on the left cancels all the digits but this one, and the 8 on the right cancels all the digits but this one as we come across. That means we have a 4 and 5 to finish this row, and a 5's in this box, and a 4 is in that box. We got 4 4s, so I'm going to try to place the last one. All these cells are eliminated. This cell's eliminated. This is the only cell left in this region for a 4. As I come down to the bottom, I have a 4. It's going to need a 2 or 3 in one of these cells. With the digit 5, we have some similar constraints. First, this column needs to have a 5 somewhere in it, but a 5 is already down below, so this is the only cell left for a 5, where this will be a 6 and 7. Those 5s then mean that this is the only cell in this region that can be a 5, which means this is the only that can be a 5. We have 7, 6 to finish this side out, so this is a 7, this is a 6. With that coming in, we actually have coming up this column 1, 2, and 3 to go. The 1 and 2 are both seen by this cell. 1 is in the column and 2 is in the region, so this is a 3. 1 and 3 is seen here, so this is a 2 and this is a 1. Finishing us out are 8 and 6. 8 is in the column down below. We have 1 and 2 for these cells. This is 1 above, 2 below. In this column, we need to get 3 and 6 to finish, and in these cells, we need 7 and 8. This is the one I can put in with 8 and 7. That comes over here to where the only digit left for a 7 is this one, which means this is the last 6. This is the last one. We have a single digit 2 for this column. We have 3 and 8 for this, so 8 above, 3 below. Puts 3 above, 6 below, puts 6 above, 7 below, and 2 and 3 are our last digits. So really like pretty common work around this grid, really using the geometry, where the geometry has some of these isolated cells, this cell, this cell, this cell, this cell. That was a place to get started, and then it was really tracking into these other pyramids to figure out the rest of the steps to get to the finish. So I hope you got something from this video. See you again soon.